We're outside Hyatt Place Hotel and Icon on Main. And behind both buildings, we have this little 2-story parking garage. And I have an elevator here, so we'll take a ride. And this parking is for Hyatt Place Hotel guests and Icon on Main residents. So, let's take a ride in the elevator. It's an Otis. And the inside lantern doesn't work. Strange. Let's go to 2. Here's what it looks like from up here. Guess we can get a quick walk outside. Oh, and there's parking for ReGus as well. All right, now we'll take it back down. Again, interior indicator does not work, so that says fail. All right, so back on 1. Door close button works. And it's a Gen2, as we all know. £3,500 capacity. See, door close button does work. Except this one, it works all the time, not just after a certain amount of time. And there it goes.